Introducing ActiveTarget 2 XL. The only better live view involves getting your head wet. We made blind spots the enemy with full 180-degree live views. But it doesn't stop there. Doubling up with two systems unlocks the industry's first 360-degree live view for a full view around your entire boat. The resolution on our previous ActiveTarget was already best in class, but we figured what the heck and sharpened it up anyway. A brand new quick switch bracket switches live views quicker than you can switch lures, and best of all, we made the upgrade easier than ever. Compatible with existing ActiveTarget 2 modules, all you need is a single XL transducer. We made ActiveTarget 2 XL the world's clearest and most complete live sonar. At Lowrance, we make more than marine electronics. We make fishing.